Today in our tutorial, we are going to look at idiomatic expressions. What's the difference between a student that gets a C6 and the one that gets an A1 in WAEC examination? It is not just big grammar, it's flavor. Some students write like robots, but students who use idiomatic expressions correctly write like masters. Today we begin a journey. By 5 days, you will have gotten a powerful or some powerful idiomatic expressions, about 50, that will make your writing sound more sophisticated than 90% of other students in Nigeria writing the same examination. Let's begin with 10. And in this 10, we have grouped them into different parts. Group 1, we are looking at behavior and success. The first one is to turn a new leaf, to start behaving in a better way or to change for better. That's the meaning. Then example in a sentence. After the principal's warning, the student decided to turn over a new leaf. The second one is to pull your socks up. What's the meaning? It means to make an effort to improve your work. Example, if you want to get an A1 in English, you must pull your socks up. That is, you must improve your work. Then the next one is to work like a horse. To work very hard, that's the meaning. To work like, if somebody said you work like a horse, that means you work very hard. Example in a sentence. The farmer worked like a horse to ensure a good harvest. The farmer worked like a horse to ensure a good harvest. That's the sentence. The next one, to pass with flying colors. Remember, not to pass in flying colors, as some people say it. Is to pass with flying colors. What's the meaning? To pass an exam or a test with a very high score. Look at the example in a sentence. Everyone was happy when John passed his WASP with flying colors. The next one is a bone of contention. It means a subject or issue that causes a disagreement or something that causes quarrel, that causes quarrel. Example, the sharing of the property became a bone of contention between the two brothers. That is, it became a cause of quarrel between the two brothers. Number 6, to be in a fix. That means to be in a difficult or embarrassing situation. Example, I was in a fix when I realized I had left my exam entry card at home. Then the 7th one, to hit the nail on the head. That means to describe exactly what is causing a situation or problem. Then the sentence, the teacher hit the nail on the head when she said we were failing because of poor time management. Then we are going to group 3 now, and the group 3 is about social situations. Number 8 says to see eye to eye. It means to agree fully with someone. To see eye to eye, to agree fully with someone. Example, my father and I don't always see eye to eye on my choice of career. That means there's always disagreement on the choice of career. Then number 9, to spill the beans. To spill the beans means to reveal a secret. Example, we wanted to surprise her, but our younger brother spilled the beans. That's the younger brother revealed the secret. Then the last one, at the 11th hour, that's the idiomatic expression, at the 11th hour. At the last possible moment, that's the meaning. 11th hour means the last possible moment. That is, at that 11th hour is late already. Example, the candidate submitted his application at the 11th hour. That is at the final moment. If not, the application may not be accepted. So that's the 10 idiomatic expression. So next time we will go to the, that is next day, we are going to another 10. We will treat another 10 next day, the meaning and also how to use them in sentences. Please, if you're enjoying this and you've not subscribed, please subscribe, like, and also share to your friends. Thank you.